Hello students, this is Vaibhavi and today we are going to learn about selection. Selection. Human resource is the most valuable resource in an organization. This is an important asset and getting this asset proper selection is required. Searching people and putting them on task is called as selection. For selection program, discovery of the best employment market, best test, right man on the right job, etc. Factors should be considered. Selection process is a long process. Selection process is called as the successive hurdles techniques. Selection process is beginning with an initial interview and concluding with contract of employment. According to Yoder, the hiring process is of one or may go no go gags. Candidates are screened by the application of these tools. Qualified applicants go on to the next hurdle, while the unqualified are eliminated. Definition. Selection is the process of picking individuals with requisite qualifications and competence to fill job in the organization. Selection is the process of differentiation between application in order to identify and hire those with a greater likelihood of successes in a job. Selection refer to the process of offering job to one or more applicants from the applications. Selection means establishing best fit between job requirements on the one hand and the candidate's qualifications on the other. Selection is the process of offering job to one or more applicants after evaluating their potential qualification and experience. Essential of selection. Following are the basic essential factors of selection. 1. Nature of selection process. 2. Company policy and attitude of the management. 3. The length of the probationary period. 4. Authority of selection of employees. 5. Job analysis and job specification required for the selection. Selection process is an important step in recruitment activity. Selection procedure is depend upon size, nature, location, convenience of an industry. Generally, following process is used for selection. 1. Receiving and screening of application. 2. Preliminary interview. 3. Application blank. 4. Physiological and other test. 5. Interview. 6. Reference check. Psychological and other test. Interview. Reference check. Financial selection. Psychological examination. Physical examination. Placement. Induction. Concept of placement. After selection of a candidate, he is placed on the job according to Pigel and Myers. Placement should consist of matching what the superior has reason to think can do with what the job demands, imposes, and offers in the form of pay and allowance. Placement is the actual allotment of a job to a select candidate. Here the employee is placed on probation for the period up to 2 years. Induction. Induction means the introduction of newly appointed employee to his job to his fellow workers and overall information about the organization. The newly appointed employee should be familiar with the organization and he should be adjusting with that environment. Induction is required. Due to induction, newly appointed employee can be discharges his duties very effectively. In induction, company operations, organizational structure, rules, regulations, grievances, procedure, employees benefits, organization history, safety measures, etc. Information is provided to the new recruit. Induction program. Induction program of a new employee into the company is an important function of personnel management. This program covers right and responsibility guidance for newly recruited employees. This program is conducted to help a new employee. In induction program aims, objectives, plans, assistance, obtained, etc. about the company has covered in induction program. Welcome new employee, chat with existing employees, importance of the job, work area, introduction of officers, office practices, etc. Function has performed. Objectives of induction program: to build up confidence of new recruits, to avoid cost of replacement, to establish relationship between new and old employees, to match between organizational goals and new recruits goals, to create good impression about the company in the minds of new recruits, to create feeling of belongingness among new recruits, to create security about job in the mind of new recruits, to introduce the new recruits to the existing employees. 9. To create loyalty among new recruits. 10. To tell short story of the company to the new recruits. Students, hope you understood the concept of selection. Thank you and see you in the next session.